Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to connect AirPods to Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's have a look. First, you need to bring your AirPods closer to your Google Pixel. Now swipe down from top of the screen and turn on Bluetooth. With the both AirPods inside the case and open the lid. Now you need to open Settings app on your Google Pixel. Go to Connected Devices and tap Pair New Device. Press and hold the setup button on the backside of the case for about 15 seconds. The status light will turn white and start blinking. Once you are there, release the button. After a few seconds, your AirPods will appear in the list of the available Bluetooth devices on your Google Pixel. Click on the name to connect your AirPods to Google Pixel. You should see a pop-up saying Pair with AirPods Pro. Tap Pair. That's it. You have successfully connected to your AirPods Pro to Google Pixel. You can now enjoy music and join calls on your Google Pixel using your AirPods Pro. You can turn on or off special audio. These are the steps to connect AirPods Pro to Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.